Saving your first $5,000 feels impossible, especially when everything in the US is getting more expensive. But the truth is, you don't need a six-figure salary to do it. You just need a system. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact three-step strategy to hit your $5,000 goal faster than you think. First, you need to stop impulse buying. Before you buy anything online that is over $50, wait 24 hours. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or am I just bored? This single habit can save you hundreds of dollars every single month. Second, stop keeping your savings in a traditional bank that pays you 0% interest. Move your money to a high-yield savings account. It's completely free, safe, and pays you up to 4 to 5% interest just for letting your money sit there. Let your money work for you. Third, hide your money from yourself. Set up an automatic transfer on your banking app. Every time you get paid, have $20 or $50 automatically move straight into your savings account before you can spend it. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Start with just $10 a week if you have to. The consistency matters more than the amount. Subscribe for more simple money hacks to build your wealth.